Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nell Sasson, and today I'm making the baked potato lasagna from Bob's Burgers. This recipe includes 2 pounds of potatoes, sharp cheddar cheese, mozzarella, Rao's marinara sauce, Parmesan cheese, black pepper, ricotta cheese, garlic, salt, fresh parsley, 1 onion, and 1 pound of ground beef. First, preheat your oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's time to peel and thinly slice our potatoes. And after that, get a bowl full of ice water and set aside so the potatoes won't brown. Now let's chop our onion and mince the garlic, then put them in a large skillet over medium heat, and then make sure to cook until they're softened. Now that our onions are softened, it's time to add the ground beef and make sure to cook until brown. Also, make sure to drain any excess fat. We don't want this sauce to be too soupy. Now let's add in a jar of Rao's marinara sauce. Alright, I'm going to try and open the jar of marinara sauce. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Stir in the marinara sauce with the cooked beef mixture, then season with a tablespoon of salt and half a tablespoon of pepper, then stir it. And soon, of that sugar to get rid of that sharpness. Add a bay leaf and stir it again, then after that, let it simmer for about 10 minutes. While that's simmering, let's chop our parsley so we can be prepared for later on. Alright, now it's time to try the tomato sauce. This is outstanding. Alright, now that's what I call good tomato sauce. Now, let's get a casserole dish, then grease it with butter or oil, and start with a layer of sliced potatoes. Next, spread a layer of the beef and marinara sauce mixture over the potatoes. Then, add dollops of ricotta cheese over the sauce. And finally, sprinkle a layer of shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Then repeat the process until you run out of ingredients. But once you get to the top, layer the potatoes first, then the ricotta cheese, then add the mozzarella and cheddar cheese. And once that's done, cover the baking dish with aluminum foil and bake in the oven for 45 minutes. You must have thought I've forgotten all about the Parmesan. Well, I haven't. Sprinkle some of that Parmesan on top and bake for an additional 15 minutes. Once baked, let it cool for about 10 minutes and use chopped parsley as your garnish. Also, if you're wondering how to say baked potato lasagna in Spanish, it's lasagna de papas al horno. Alright, I got my plate of lasagna. I'm gonna try it now and I won't cap. This is amazing. I've been waiting for hours to try this. It really tastes like I'm eating at an Italian restaurant right now. I can see that I really corrected my seasonings, and the potatoes really sucked up all the creamy, cheesy goodness. Each bite was a perfect blend of savory and tangy flavors. Gene from Bob's Burgers made up this recipe. It's like you have no ideas on what to make, so you decided to make your own invention, just like how I made up mac and dog. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace!